Did you know the stock market has been going on for more than 4 centuries? Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be around why you should invest in stocks. Let's start. First of all, stocks offer investors the greatest potential for growth, capital appreciation, over the long haul. Investors willing to stick with stocks over long periods of time, say 15 years, generally have been rewarded with strong, positive returns. Second reason is the potential to earn more in returns. The primary reason most people invest in stocks is the potential return compared to alternatives such as bank certificates of deposit, gold, and treasury bonds. For example, the average stock market return has been about 10% annually since 1926. Long-term government bonds have returned 5% to 6% annually during the same period. One of the other reasons is that stock markets' returns often significantly outpace the rate of inflation. For example, the long-term inflation rate has run about 3.1% annually since 1913. That compares to a double-digit annual return from stocks. Stocks have been a good way to hedge against inflation. Also, many companies pay dividends, or a portion of their profits, to investors. The majority make quarterly dividend payments, although some companies pay monthly dividends. Dividend income can help supplement an investor's paycheck or retirement income. Another reason is that a share of stock represents fractional ownership of a company. You can own a tiny slice of a company whose products or services you love. And a reason that comes out more than the others is that most stocks trade publicly on a major stock exchange, making it easy to buy and sell them. It also makes stocks a more liquid investment compared to other options such as real estate investments that you can't quickly sell. Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.